Did you know that cats, often seen as aloof, are emotional creatures with hearts full of love? They form deep connections with their humans, showing their affection through subtle gestures like purring and following you around. Cats can even sense your emotions, offering comfort in tough times or stepping back when you need space. Among themselves, they share tender moments of grooming, building unshakable social bonds. And here's a fun fact: each cat tailors its meows just for you, crafting a unique language for your relationship. So next time your feline friend gazes at you with those knowing eyes, remember, behind that quiet demeanor lies a world of unspoken emotions.